Yes, good afternoon, my great Edo people, my great Edo youth, and my great Benin people, Ogbe youth. So, wetin come dey happen? So, me I come dey surprise many things wey be say no dey happen for Benin. We come dey see many just come dey shele for Edo state wey be say even market, Oba market, because I obviously say I need to talk on this thing small. Wey be say Oba market come turn to where dem go born, because at about 5 a.m. this morning when I dey hear those messages based on say I just dey work, the thing dey vex me. Wey be say EPN people no let Edo people get peace because of yeye political politics wey dem dey fight. Come be say na market na dem wan begin dey destroy. They wan destroy market, burn all market finish. Now na Oba market turn. They don enter many markets since for long. Those market wey they don dey destroy, nobody answer them. But now na Oba market na they come enter. And this group of scopulous element wey they do na EPN, because Oba Seku kick against Agberurism, na im make dem dey find only evil agenda to cause commotion for Edo land, to cause say to scandalize Oba Seki regime. Make I let people know one thing. All of na wey be member of EPN, wey just get that evil agenda to dey destroy, to dey burn Oba market. We know say una this are una strategy to cause commotion, to destroy Oba Seki regime. But all of una go fail one by one, because this mission wey una dey do so, this evil thing wey una dey do, una go fail am one by one. Na I make today I feel say na very bad thing wey be say we Edo people, we go see truth, we no go talk am. Wey be say all these evil men wey we get for our state begin dey destroy Oba market, dey burn Oba market, because say dem get plan, dem get evil plan to destroy it, because dem dey after money. No more Oba Seki is a try to do better thing for Benin, but these people dem no want Edo state to grow. But I'll let you understand one thing. If you really, you be real Edo man, you believe for the growth of Edo, you believe say for the future for our youth, this na the time wey be say we all go rise to say no to that EPN, because they come make us know say na say some of these evil people, some of these party members wey belong to APC wey first come change ourselves to EPN, now dem be the people wey dey cause this commotion for market. But today we wan let dem know say we know mission, we all grow for that Benin. We all know their plan, we know everything. The problem wey be say the youth, the lazy youth, because of this Agberurism, come make una say na to dey burn Oba market, say na down na take scandalize, take spoil Oba Seki regime. My people, una fail. Una how una fail? Una rari again. Ebopa edaji. Una rari again. Ebopa edaji. You people cannot just sit and think one day, just come and say we want burn Oba market, so that make we talk say na governor Oba Seki regime is a bad regime. But una forget all these things wey una dey do. We all know, we see and we know wetin una dey do. Erosion wey be say rain fall yesterday everywhere for Benin, go full, rain full am. But una not talking about that. How much Oshiomhole comot wey say what they do erosion flood, but where you go, the money enter pocket, they share am with Agberurism. Now, and I remember when I watched my year's video, I told us say PDP say the strategy wey Oba Seki use say what where Oshiomhole use say take correct erosion flood, say na bad this thing plan I get. Say that thing go cause erosion for Benin. People feel say na when I go watch all my video, I talk, I never even know so Oba Seki go come PDP. I said because this erosion flood where Oshiomhole carry money he do. I talk for you, but I talk for Benin. When I even talk many times for video, I said this is a way Oshiomhole take extract money come up for those land. People think I was joking, but now Benin don't turn to where erosion land. Who is the cause? Adam Oshiomhole. Now the people of Adam Oshiomhole are still coming out to cause flood in Edo state. They are still coming out to burn Oba market. No one Oba market gbelu waya. Now me Oba market waya genu wasu. Hello, caller. Hello, Edward.
Where you now, say?
I greet you, Adela.
I know, say you daylight, and they call you. If you not daylight, I know they call you.
I know.
Then I don't even reassess now. Then I'm them. Then more we have me over say now. Then I don't even reassess now. Black and white. How about I been here?
Oh, Anthony, Edgewise. And Donogia, Edgewise, let me tell you. And Donogia, again, no Shomole Naswe Flotina. It's you know, Shomole, a pattern no real idea. When they are with flood, a cannot shine area was a bar shining. A PDP now, my
brother, Omali still campaign about Shomole campaign. Every single progress we don't get for a regime. Now with this Obaseki, now he get that. Which Obaseki was inside his regime.
Lare, Edgewise. When I read Oshomole regime, una re PM, mere EPM. Obaseki, make me another doma. He any that party because he remember me Anita. Edgewise, I will tell you this thing.
Hold on, look at my
oh no, you cannot tell me what I know. I don't listen to that Edgewise because why? I am the one who has been preaching about this thing. APC, EPM, and realize I talk about this issue when Oshomole shining this thing. You know what you say erosion you do. You know what you say flood you do. At the end, what you know? What are you both saying?
Bro, you are just shouting on Facebook. People are going to
go there. Maybe you go shout your Edgewise. Go and shout your own. You cannot come and tell me this thing. You hate Obaseki. I know you don't like Obaseki. Edgewise. With your strategy, come and do something. Edgewise, let me tell you, if you don't know anything about this politics, I will put you wrong. You Obaseki, Edgewise, you are among the EPM. I categorize you as a member of the EPM because whenever you are talking about Obaseki, you are always coming out to talk nonsense about this issue. Edgewise, you are EPM, and EPM member must die. If you are EPM, Edgewise, EPM member must die. Said by a very bright. You are speaking nonsense, Edgewise, nonsense to turn out, nonsense word. Because all your dream is fake. Edgewise, let me tell you. Listen, Edgewise, you don't have good dream in the Donald. Your dream is to join those EPM, and any of you that join EPM must die. Edgewise, any of you that join EPM must die. Yes, I am saying it. Anybody who said don't we know better, we die. Let Obaseki continue his work, and upper market will not be born. Edgewise, yeah, I'm telling you now.
Make I tell you, now.
Now, I'll tell you now.
PDP member, I don't get it.
Well, Edgewise, you don't get it. Edgewise, Edgewise, what Saga? Edgewise, shut up there, you are a stupid boy. You are a stupid boy for saying that, Edgewise. You are a bastard for saying that one. Edgewise, for calling on my program and saying Edgewise. If you go one do it, allow it, Edgewise, you will die miserable death. Edgewise, go allow it, for you to come here to criticize Obaseki in my front and in my platform, you will die miserable death. Zazaga allow it, who wants to soon all out. Edgewise, Alaluwe, no good. Edgewise, continue Alaluwe, no sugu. Edgewise, continue Alaluwe, no bell. Get out my phone, stupid Edgewise. Yes, any of them who come my platform to talk anyhow, I deal with him. Edgewise is a member of EPM fighting, joining this Oshomole. EPM caucus to burn upper market. Edgewise is preaching for them. Edgewise is a stupid man for insulting people for says Johnny Obaseki. Edgewise, you are a stupid man for Johnny the against Obaseki. You are a stupid man. Nonsense. Don't try that nonsense again on my platform. Nonsense. It's like, why you are? Why I get your by Edgewise? You are stupid. Calling on my platform to claim nonsense. Why you are Edgewise? Are you mad? Come here to say to use your mouth. Talk what bell. Don't come my platform to speak evil against Obaseki. We are saying the truth. Upper is a place we must let everybody know that people that are born in this market are EPM member. EPM member, they are causing confusion in Edo land. They cannot go and burn Oba market. That land is where I grow up, and I need the betterment for Edo citizen. I need the betterment for Edo EDG. Why are they burning markets everywhere? Now we are seeing them coming in that different dimension because Obaseki has deviated from being a member of AP screener towards PDP. Now they are coming in another new dimension, another new style. Edo people, we must say the truth. Anybody who stand against Obaseki, any of them where John, any of them where they drawn Oshomole go the burn market or go kill all of them, because this market where they burn, so we dey see and say like EPM people they do am. We dey see and say that they do this to scandalize the regime of Obaseki. But we want to make them understand one thing. Any evil agenda when they plan, now their head don't tell repent. Edo people is wise. Edo people know, yeah, it's not the Edo of today. We are moving forward. We are moving forward. We must say the truth and let the truth set us free. We will not allow refract all those nonsense people to be supporting Oshomole and this EPM gang to cause commotion in Edo State. These people collide, they plan it to burn Oba market. But we are going to make them to understand one thing. That Oba market they are burning, then we all die one by one. Because EPM people are the people burning it. And don't people forget the flood, what Oshomole, the disaster Oshomole brought to Edo land. Oshomole has made Edo land to become the land of erosion. Erosion has taken over Benin City. Who did it? Oshomole. Oshomole caused erosion in Benin City, and he said Oshomole is sending EPM to go and burn Oba market. And this stupid ADYs that live in Holland is the person that is using to be scandalizing Obaseki. ADYs, you are ADYs for you to come on my platform to speak against evil against Obaseki. You cannot right coming on my platform. You are using bad word on Obaseki because EPM people are paying you. Agbeurisi will never come back to Edo State again. We are saying no to Agbeurisi. They should keep on burning market. They should keep on burning market. They are burning market. They are causing the money we use to build another good place where our citizens will be working. They decided to be burning our market. Let me tell you people what you don't know. What they are doing, so burning market, they are causing those money will be used for another thing. But these people, refrat, these nonsense people decided to burn Oba market. We know them. We are saying no to Agbeurisi. We must stand and fight and join Obaseki. Yes, we must say the truth. We know now where they burn market. We know now where they burn market. We know now where they burn market. We know now. Make una they burn una head. Because of Oshomole they use now, EPM, fair upon una. Una not be do anything now to go to burn market. We stand to kick no to Agbeurisi. Obaseki, thank you for stopping Agbeurisi. Obaseki, thank you. They not go do anything. They are just trying to, they are looking for money to impose, to put into their purse. Anything they need for their own benefit. But we there, those citizens say no against these people. Look at the atrocities they are committing against Edo land. Burning great Oba market. They have finished with Ekiosa. Burn other market is time because Governor Obaseki decided to join PDP. They think now they want to burn the market. Let me tell you one thing. Edo State is not Lagos State. When Abode refused to be loyal to to be submissive to the way that wey call himself Gonzaga for Lagos. Wetin they do? They throw about they comot. Because Fashola for good 8 years he begin pay. Tinubu collect money for Fashola 30%. Obaseki said no 30% Oshomole, Oshosunwu, Oshogbeo, Oshofiawu with Emanilelewe and Isobolelewe. Today, we are telling you people that these people burning a market are some of those great rats that Obaseki throw away from Ogbewu is not them. We want to let you know any people will get for that market. They go fiawu. Edo people must rise to kick against those EPM members. Because enough of all this mess where our people they do. Where be say una see good governor to make Edo great. Now you that decide to the cause commotion to destroy all the Google TV governor. Make I tell now, all this what I do, you know they shake Governor Obaseki. The money we're supposed to take do another project now. You go see use something repair the market. Now that one I want. Una go try, una no succeed. Because 4+4 to wagba. We are marching forward with Obaseki to victory in the name of Jesus with Obaseki to victory. We are marching forward with Obaseki to victory in the name of Jesus with Obaseki to victory. We are marching forward with Obaseki to conquer, and we conquer EPN and APC to victory. We will conquer them and become victorious. No matter we say where Obaseki go, we go. Even though when they depend, I said I am always with Obaseki. We must what conquer, no matter what people we do. We must conquer. We are moving with Obaseki to victory. We are moving to conquer. Because Nogega said Obaseki is what a man God has sent to make Edo State great. So we are moving with Obaseki. We are marching forward to conquer. You people decide to push fire on Oba market. But let me tell you, we must conquer. We will always triumph. We will triumph. Victory is ours. And we are going to conquer. You people cannot go and be putting fire in Oba market. But one thing I want you all to know, no matter, because in every trial, there must be a victory. In every temptation, there must be victory. In every competition, there must be victory. Whenever competition, trial comes your way, know you are moving to victory. You are going to be victorious. What is happening to Obaseki is what will take you to another dimension, another level of life. It's moving from grace to grace. Because all these people, political thuggery they have been using, they think this time they will not succeed. Let me tell people, that Edo State, not before one man. We are all vibrant youth, and we are youth that are ready to stand with Obaseki. We are not dull youth. We are ready to stand with Obaseki because we know those of you that are involved putting fire on Oba market. But remember, we are marching forward with Obaseki to victory in the name of Jesus with Obaseki to victory. And we must eventually conquer because we must conquer no matter the situation, no matter the trial, because trial must always come. When trial come, no, you are moving from grace to grace. Because to excel in life, you must face battle. This battle Obaseki is facing is to take him to another dimension of life, which I can call grace to grace. All of una go try, una no go succeed. But make I tell una, that about market una they bomb EPM where they bomb, una go fail. Una go fail. Una go fail. Una go fail. Ede no Samuru Obaseki Oma Imie. Ure de no mune. You all will try, but why sources? Because at the verse from that market, good afternoon, Evelyn King. That market wanna go burn. Una feel say to burn up a market, to stay na, to they do nonsense, to they affect God with God. They say now the Jews are they affect God, no God will pass. No, una the Jews and they cause damage to that land. Una they cause destruction for the land. That market now where our mother, our sister, our brother they trade. Una decided say if we put fire for this market, Obaseki go spend money build again. No fit fulfill all the project. Let me tell you now, una fail una self. Because why? God don't destine her. Say Obaseki must complete his 8th tenure to finish his good work. A man will start one bring light, but these people not here. They cause commotion because now they fight. I told you people not get sense. These people are not fighting for you. They are fighting for themselves. These people, they're not there after you. Waiting the day after their pause. These people, they after their pause. These people, they fight for their pause. These people are not fighting for the growth of Edola. Very lucky. Good afternoon. But they are fighting for their pause. Why Bishop Pastor is talking at Beirut is in high problem day? Why Bishop Pastor will say no to God, but that is in high problem day? We stand to say no. We know the truth, and we must speak the truth, and we must let everybody know, all Edo citizens, to know the people that are responsible in the burning of Upper Market are the EPM members. Because now then they burn everywhere. When Obaseki never come out, they peace na so they begin to burn them. And we know. Una go put fire, put pains for our mother body. Una go put pains to burn Upper Market, burn property. Una know so they put pains for our mother body. Now they put pains for people where they find money where they take the trade. Una go they burn things, their property. How God take forgive una? Una destroy people things because una want spoil one marriage. But the pains wanna put for those women body, wanna put for those men body. Now the pains go back to una. Una all go be times 100. Because these women they say things to take off their family. Una go burn their property. Una not sit and use beat the one that they beat our mom, beat our sister for market again. Because of give me 20 naira, give me 100 naira. Obaseki say no to that Agbewu reason. Na crime, na bad thing. Not before we to live, to move from grace to grace. Yeah, Obaseki want me don't grow. A man if he do different things for school, if they bring many things to teach our teacher, now our people begin they find bad thing. My people, make I let you know. These people where they do this, they don't wish Edo State well. Governor Obaseki I be the man we wish Edo people well. Governor Obaseki stand say gidigba for the growth of Edo. Governor Obaseki stand gidigba make Edo excel. Governor Obaseki stand gidigba make it provide light for Benin. God is start to the tune and then they cause for because they know say Governor Obaseki want to do many things where be say they no fit do. Now I make them Oshomole the verse. He sees this man don't storm. You know what? When God sent, he sent Governor Obaseki come and set Edo people free from the captivity to become captive. Because why? Pharaoh, okay, Pharaoh no one let our people Edo people free. Who is the Pharaoh? Oshomole and his EPM people. But God sent David, sent Moses. Who now be what? Obaseki. He said, okay, Pharaoh, free my people. You know what? Free. Una son to the bone. But God don't send Moses. Who can battle with Obaseki? Who can battle with Obaseki? Who can battle with Obaseki? I say nobody. EPM no go fit. Oshomole no go fit. Oh, all of them go for forgotten. I say nobody. Person where God put his hand upon, God hands is upon Obaseki. He must succeed and excel. Oh, I say nobody. Who can battle with Obaseki where God don't crown? God say, Do not content with him, because he said, for my hands is upon him. Those of una who feel say una want content with, now they content with the Most High God, the creator of heaven and earth. God will create heaven and earth, where he can say, I sent her to liberate Edo people from slavery. We were in partial slavery. We were in partial slavery with Agbeorism. When you talk, don't beat people. But now God said no. He comes strange, bring up Obaseki with a wise man. You know, when David was growing up, he locked up. Then he was the person, the choosing one. You see how? Now so Obaseki be. When Oshomole want to bring a God, come hide down, make them not see him. Now God say, bring this man. Because God don't bless and say, now he go say to us. But now, people, they want evil against that man. Look like they born Oba market. The world now born Oba, so now born on our destiny. Those of them will go put for Oba market. Remember, now una destiny una born. Una destiny, una born who una destiny. Who una destiny. For you to cause pain for our mother, for you to cause pain for our sister, for you to cause pain to our brother, for their property wanna go born for market. But now so God go cause pain for una life. Now so God go give una pain where be say una no go feel solve. Now so God go do after una, because why? All of una be evil people. Una choose to destroy Oba market because una feel say if una do am, it go be problem to Obaseki. But una forget so no be Obaseki una dey give this pain to. Una dey cause pain to our mother. Una dey cause pain to our brother. Una dey cause pain to our sister. Una dey cause pain to our relative. But today I can't tell una. Obaseki na be the person wey God send make e come make Edo State great. Make we all join am together, make we follow Uno road. Because if you follow Uno road, na God na you go follow. You cannot be following for a blind man to lead you. Because Oshomole and these people are blind. They have been leading Edo people, leading us, and we think we are wise. But God can't tell us, say no. Obaseki is the true man. Obaseki and Shaibu. Therefore, it's Shaibu to say no. For Shaibu to make a decision, say we must stand to kick against this evil act. Shaibu was a wise man. A wise man will move. A wise man, because Shaibu think he called Obaseki. God, this thing waiting my brother is doing a bad thing. You don't want good thing for Benin. We're not supposed to give him percentage. We know as a wise Shaibu. Mona no where, Mona hold on. Now I say, you don't want this thing. I say, why? But now Obaseki say, yes, you are right, my vice governor. What we go to say, we will stop to give Oshomole 30%. Una realize that we give Oshomole 30%. I want to let you know. Obaseki can't make decision no more 30% to Oshomole. Una don't know how the problem arises. Now the problem want to tell us. Obaseki said, this we need to repair Edo land. All this money 30%. Edo we not fit they give you. We want to use the money to repair infrastructure, social amenities, make Edo become great. But Oshomole come dey paro. No like a frog eye. No say Osho die, Osho fiawu, Osho sungu, Osho mu weligbo oyo. Na be the man. He come dey deceive Edo citizen with Agbeorism. The one na dey for Benin, I don't like am. Nobody dey come una. Nobody dey beat una. Obaseki come liberate everybody. God say now. You know say in a light Oshomole and darkness. Light and darkness, they no fit come together. When light and darkness disappear, darkness cannot comprehend the light. Because Obaseki is the light to Edo land. These people just dey burn Oba market. They feel burn Oba market like that because say they want to cause commotion for the regime of Obaseki. Like I tell now, make una hear word now. That market we una burn EPM. Now EPM. Now them who go burn market or great Oba market. They carry burn urban market wey dey ring road na there they come see go born. Make I tell una wey dey involve in all this atrocity, one day monkey go market no go come back. Una dey look una chest back we go born am. Remember Goliath believe say na David go kill am. Goliath no know say na David go kill am. Goliath dey like yeah. Wetin God just send David. David, a small boy, Goliath was just, he carried catapult. He shoot him. And a catapult. Now we will take shoot to my head. Because power where they that little stone catapult. Now we will take shoot to my head. Una will be EPM member. Catapult. Because God don't send David come. And David hold the catapult, which is Obaseki. That catapult will be near by and go give him for my head. As he knock him on and I go know say the evil one they do. When I go for Gidigba, like what David, like Goliath, as now he go use sword go cut, take him because why? God don't give him, don't obtain him. Say may go liberate Edo people. So una where they support, where they follow Oshomole, where they follow EPM member, make una change, make una remove una hand, make una deviate, because EPM their own na to cause commotion, their own na to destroy Edo land. They not mean well for Edo land. Obaseki can come repair Edo. If they mean well, why did they conspire for our market? Now they come enter our market. Now EPM, Edo people, we must try to say no to EPM, because Oba they see say PDP. Power to the people. We are marching forward with Obaseki to victory in the name of Jesus with Obaseki to victory. We are marching forward with Obaseki to conquer in the name of Jesus with Obaseki to conquer. We are marching forward with Obaseki to victory in the name of Jesus with Obaseki to victory. We are marching forward with Obaseki to victory. We must conquer. We must overpower them, because we are marching forward with Obaseki to conquer them. All this one where then they do so, then they bomb market, they bomb their head. But make una know, 4 + 4 talk back. 4 + 4 talk back. 4 + 4 talk wagba. 4 + 4 talk back. Because why? God don't talk and say talk wagba. And who want us cannot go back? That person. You know what they call? David go use stone. Knock your head. Because why? We will stand for Obaseki so when they wait for the goodness of Edo land. And catapult. Now I will tell you knock on my head. Catapult. Now I will tell you knock on my head. So we must talk this truth. The Google thing where Obaseki don't do. Not be waiting for the talk. Say Obaseki, not do this one. Obaseki, not do this one. When Obaseki they talk the truth. When Obaseki they talk the truth, they repair. Una no want better thing. All of now. When Obaseki they do better thing. Does they say wait till Obaseki don't do? Obaseki was a man with wisdom, with instincts. A man where he sit down, where he think before he do something. Now that man they talk say no they do well. Make I tell now, make we move with Obaseki. As we move with Obaseki, we must surely conquer. Because why? As I see come out, I want to go back to my work. As I have passed this message. So we must move with Obaseki to victory. And we will still conquer. We go conquer. We must conquer with Obaseki to victory. Those of where they born Oba market, one of piece una they born Oba market. Now so somebody go kill you. So anybody where they born market, we go born Oba market now. So somebody go kill you. Una we born Oba market. Oh so somebody na go kill you. Oh go agbeluwa. Isango agbeluwa. Aba no go deva wa. As una take go they go they born that Oba market. So now one spoil Obaseki regime. Esagasaga Allah wa egbe. Esagasaga Allah wa egbe do wa gbole bi no ma go tell to me. Saga la wa gbe wa yan amogun ba so yan amogun wo yan agogun wo ban. Ogun so ga sun we gbu wa. Ogun sun o ga fa wa we wa. Susu wa wo wa get o kan. No we na do e de on lubiri. Wa ma o no te do ma. Wa la won wa do ra. Wa on wa do ri agbe urizi ri ate do wa. Ma wi ma ri kwe ye agbe urizi. Ma ri kwe with agbe urizi ma wi ma ri kwe. Ma ni via do wi ma ri kwe. Ma wi ma we ne boya we. Ebo ticket our slot na ma agigi go yo bo. That is what we are. What we want to improve. We are moving forward with Obaseki to victory. And we must conquer with Obaseki. He said 1,000 at the side of Obaseki and 10,000 at the right of Obaseki. They shall all scatter. Because why? The crown of victory is already upon his head. God don't place the crown of victory for Obaseki's head. We are going to move to conquer. We are going to move to victory. We are going to triumph because what they are doing is to cause commotion, to cause distraction. But Obaseki is a man that is focused, that is want to make Edo State become great. That is why we, the Edo indigene, we, the good people of Edo land, let's join us together and let's move and follow the right way. We will follow Uno road. Make we not begin waka waka, kona, make we stand for one day. That is why me, I stand with Obaseki, gidigba, come soon. I know be do like this, go like this. I stand for one way. Where be say, I will to speak with Obaseki. Where be say, victory go come. That is why I stand. As I do at this, so I just stand where I dey. Make I tell now. Make all of us stand where gidigba with Obaseki. Make we conquer. Make we stand gidigba with Obaseki. Make we win. Make we stand gidigba with Obaseki. At the end, we go see joy. Make we not deal with people where they swear the good thing of Edo land. Where be say they go dey put bond market. All those people, thank me. I be thanking for them to the bond urban market. How they take me well for Edo. People wey plan go the bond market, they me well for Benin. They no me well for Benin. Those people no me well for Benin. They are on to destroy, to burn Edo. I will say they me well for Benin. They no me well for Benin. Those who me well for Benin, now be what we and Governor Obaseki, we where they say talk bah, we me well for Benin because where we want make Edo State become great. We don't want make be say our mama they receive slap by Akberuzi. We don't want make our parents receive bo. They beat people like beating slave. No. We know they slavery now. Some of you see on APC, EPN, now they go to put fire for Obama because why? They want me Obama get home. But make I tell you, we must excel. We not stand no to Akberuzi. No. We must conquer. We must excel. Obaseki Zowere Borodo. Nudo Mupowe Borodo. Nuyoweri Laveriawe Borodo. Uyoweri Lebipi Borodo. Obaseki Zowere Wenu Zowere Borodo. Nudo Ekano Samunwe. Edeno Samunwe. Obaseki Zowege Borodo. Obaseki Zowege Borodo. IPM Deyoro Borodo. Jomole Deye Woro Borodo. Obaseki Zowege Wenu Zowege Borodo. Obaseki Zowege Borodo. Obaseki Zowege Borodo. Obaseki Zowege Wenu Zowege Borodo. Nudo Yuwa Borodo. Nudo Yetowe Borodo. Nudo Doledoji Borodo. Obaseki Zowege Borodo. IPM Deye Woro Borodo. Otomole de you fun Borodo. Iwo de you are Borodo. IPM de you are Borodo. Agberuzi de you are Borodo. De you are Borodo. De you are Borodo. Agberuzi de you are Borodo. De you are Borodo. Iya suwu Borodo. Iya ni gejo bara suwu. Ikamu wana. Wana wu wa ma onedo ma. Wanongu waredo riatetwa. Wanongu wa ma mie na mie la oda otedo. Wanongu wa mie si jotedo. Wanongu wa ria wa o wa lubirie. Uwa lubirie. Uwa lubirie. Que no me ready yo lubirie. Que no me lubirie. 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 Ya lubirie. Yes. This is the great Kokobiri master. Husband to all single mother. Menon, I stand with Obaseki Gidigba for the betterment of Edo land. Having ma lubirie, iyaga lubuye, iyaga sungu, iya sun no one Obaseki like ni we a ukpo ni ge a muene o we ne la o ekete eje no wa no samu yoru ejo gogo no ba o sanu ta si mu ye Obaseki u o wa mu yoru ne wa na we we na no mu yoru wa ma no ya tun tie come no as for the 4 years no like pe ko 4 years again no 8 years no make an answer street no ya dole toju wa gwa lo o sapero wa you wa home ogun so gun ba yin wa iko ogun na me pa me you wa ko isango ga de fa wa we o ga de fa wa we uwa yin amogun wa no wa ya wa no pm ba no ri fiere ye ki oba wa sungu uwa sungu wa lemi wa agbon agbuwa yan suwasa lo tamuwa meno Kokobiri master ta meno idwane temini atane inya don ya we must succeed who be that man where they say Obaseki no go succeed make I go back to my work I don't deliver this thing if you are Donuwa my lovely Edo people please let's join together to work with Governor Godwin Obaseki. Where Obaseki go, there we go. We are all moving forward to make Edo State great. We know EPM members are responsible for the burning of Obamacare because these are part of the strategy to destabilize the good things of Governor Godwin Obaseki. But today we want to let them know we know their mission, but we know we are all moving forward with Obaseki to victory, and we must conquer. We shall conquer. So, we shall conquer. Now, so we shall conquer. So, me don't talk my own. I don't hear. Me, I go continue my work. Me, I go find daily bread again for my children because why? I must work. Now, back to my work. Let me go back to my work. Let me go back to my work. Let me go back to my work. I not there for all those bukuyenke men. Bukuyenke men. Me, I not be bukuyenke. Me, I not be bukuyenke. I be rima. Rima, where they talk truth. So we know we must conquer. We must conquer. Leave those people. You know, say, we don't conquer them. We conquer them. Enemy to Obaseki, we conquer now. We don't conquer them. Yes, we conquer them. We are moving forward. When I leave there, those people where me, I don't hear. Me, I go back to my work. Not see this, man, I quick pour this water I get for body. As I don't hear with another word. So I don't enter, man, I quick pour 5 minutes. Pour this water, rush, wear my working uniform back to work. I don't come deliver this message. My people, make una stand with Obaseki. Follow no road, make you not fall for gutter. Not follow blind person, make you follow no road. As you follow no road, so that better thing could come your way. My son, no say we will dey follow no road. And so God go dey bless us. Because why? If you follow rich man, you go become rich. If you follow wise man, you will become wise. If you follow blind man, you become blind spiritually and physically. When we are talking about blind, there are people you think you are seeing physically, but spiritually you are blind. Don't know your right from your left. That is why Obaseki have come to let we all know our right from our left. That these people we are following, they are fake people. That's why I say we should walk uprightly to victory, and we are moving with Obaseki to conquer, to become victorious. So no to Agbeurism. Take care. Love you all. I remain Kokobiri master Uyedo Tosho, the husband to all single mother. Yes, we are moving with Obaseki. I love you all. I will keep on loving you. Let's work out to make Edo State great. Don't be reluctant when you are fighting a just cause. Be strong. Be have faith that you shall conquer. During the fight of freedom, during the struggle of freedom, you will definitely persevere. It doesn't mean you will face kind of humiliation. But what matters at the end, victory will become ours. So keep it up and let us join together to make a what? Edo State great. Tọ́wọ́ àgbà 4+4 ọgbà máa lè do yourself. Ọgbà yàn ni 4+4 tọ́gbà. Ìwé tọ́ra gbà o. Tọ́ra gbà o. Ìwé tọ́ra gbà ìyẹ́dọ̀rẹ́ o. Tọ́ra gbà. Ọ̀rọ̀ gbà ló ń bọ́ sẹ́kì náà mẹ́ o. Olúwàmẹ́ o. Tọ́ra gbà o. Ọ̀bọ̀ sí kí iná rẹ̀ tó dọ̀lẹ̀ dójì o. Tọ́ra gbà. Ègọ́dúí inú ibi ẹ̀dọ̀ mẹ́ wà láre ní máa dóbi ó bọ̀yọ̀ ọba ṣẹ́kì tọ́ra gbà. Ọ̀rọ̀ ìgbàyà àbẹ̀dọ̀yọ̀ ègọ́dúí inú rẹ̀ tó dọ̀lẹ̀ dójì gọ́dúí ọba ṣẹ́kì náà rà sẹ́ ègọ́dúí inú rẹ̀ rà sẹ́ ọba ṣẹ́kì. Ema yọbọyọ yeke ema yọbọyọ yeke nítorí àmà nà nyẹmẹ asibi ẹdùn ní ìwà mi ni màá mi aláròdà àbòtẹ́dọ̀ ẹ wá gbà o ègọ̀dún iná bí ó bá ṣẹ́kì náà tọ́ra gbà ìwé tọ́ra gbà mú ẹ̀rẹ̀ tẹ́dọ̀ tọ́ra gbà ègọ̀dún iná tó dọ̀lẹ̀ dọ́jì o tọ́ra gbà tọ́wà gbàmú ègọ̀dún abẹ́gì. Mokuna clap for God. We wanna give God. We wanna give love. Give and love if you want to make it back. Give and love. We wanna give and love. If you want to make it back, if you know so love. Give and love and life. If you want to make it back, love and life. Make it back. Oh, agbanya ne governor. God no pass kino wera say. Toi, love and life. Oh, wa gba. Agba wa no we ne gba rabi na do ye sabe ne wa re ye wa bi juwa on. Wọ́n ewé ní ẹ̀rẹ́ gbọ́ ṣàpẹẹrẹ ìwà rẹ̀ yíwá ṣúwá o wọ́n lọ́ máa rí lọ́ọ̀bì ọwọ́ wà rí ẹ̀rẹ́ di ogún gbúwà òbíkọ̀ wà náà wẹ́ gbá ní ogún gbúwà love and like no gbá náà bá ṣẹ́kì love and like tọ́ka gbá o èkọ́tù ìnáwó mẹ́ o tọ́ka gbá ìwé tó wí jáde o yáyá jòrè o. Tọ́ra gbà ègọ́dún inú bí ọba ṣẹ́kì mẹ́ o tọ́ra gbà ìwé tó wí jáde wẹ́ omi ọ̀tọ̀ o tọ́ra gbà o ègọ́dún inú bí ọba ṣẹ́kì mẹ́ o tọ́ra gbà ìwé tó wí jáde mú wẹ́ yàrá omi ọ̀tọ̀ tọ́ra gbà ègọ́dún inú bí ọba ṣẹ́kì mẹ́ o tọ́ra gbà òye tó tọ́ṣọ òwe ní ìwúwẹ́ tó tọ́ra gbà. Ègọ̀dún inú bí ọba ṣẹ́kì mẹ́ o tọ́ra gbà èkókò bírímọ́sá wẹ́ ní ìwúwẹ́ tó tọ́ra gbà ègọ̀dún inú bí ọba ṣẹ́kì mẹ́ o tọ́ra gbà òye tó tọ́jọ́ wí ẹ̀rọ wẹ̀ yékè tọ́ra gbà ègọ̀dún inú bí ọba ṣẹ́kì mẹ́ tó tọ́ra gbà ìwé tọ́ra gbà. Ọ̀rọ̀ àgbà 4+4 tó gbà ọ̀rọ̀ àgbà 4+4 tó gbà yes ìtàní tó wà gbà ìtàní wíyẹ́dọ̀ tọ́ṣọ̀ tó yàn tó wà gbà wíyẹ́dọ̀ tọ́ṣọ̀ tí àwẹ̀ tó gbà ọgbà màwúnú wáyà ìjàre àyàwẹ̀wẹ̀ ìjàrẹ̀wẹ̀ mẹ́ẹ̀ ìjàre màwẹ̀wẹ̀ ìjàre wẹ̀ àjò wà ọmọ ọ̀tọ̀ màtàní níkà ọ̀tàní. Ìjàre ọ̀gànjò ọ̀làgbà so wàyà take care I love you all God bless you all always follow Yado Talk Show the Kokopiri master husband to us single mother I love you all keep on read with Yado Talk Show wà ní wíwà gí ẹ̀kẹ́ ọba sàpẹ̀rọ̀ wà ní ìwà o ẹ̀kẹ́ ọba ní ìmọ̀ ẹ̀ wà ní gíwọ̀n EPN náà ọ̀gá ogun ọ̀sàpẹ̀rẹ̀ ọ̀gùn ẹ̀rẹ́ ìwà yá o ok àyànà tààmú wa náà. Wano we edo ma edo ga den eto sanu dazi eto ba no isamo jagbo je mi take care una ciao bye bye ciao